Welcome back to a day in my new life. Today is Thursday, December 4th, and it is officially day one of moving. I have a flight booked from Los Angeles, California to Tampa, Florida to pack up my stuff that is in storage and move it. The plan keeps changing. So originally I was going to rent a U-Haul and drive it across the country. Now the most updated plan is that I have rented 2 U-Boxes. I'm going to have those loaded up and then they will be shipped across the country. Knowing me, that plan could also easily change into something else within the next 24 hours, but I will keep you guys updated. In the meantime, come along with me and let's get this move started. Tokyo doesn't really know what's going on, but he knows that we have packed up and we are getting ready to go on an adventure. It's adventure time. This is the outfit of the day, and I will be wearing it with this sweatshirt. I do not travel cute. I travel comfy. I want to be warm. I've got my dog with me, so this is it. If you guys see me, it's a no makeup day as well. In the hair, this is how we're looking. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, added some eyebrows and some baby hairs. I just feel like I look a little bit more put together. And then this is literally all I'm bringing with me to Tampa. So this is all I need because literally everything else is there. So I'm gonna walk Tokyo and then we're gonna order our Uber and head on over to LAX. Literally woke up at 4 a.m. for this flight and I think I'm gonna be late. The Uber said it's gonna drop me off at 8:22 and we start boarding at 8:30. So you guys wish me luck. Walking Tokyo. Such a rush. I left my key in the building and now I've locked myself out and my Uber will be here in 2 minutes and I have no way to get back in the building to grab my backpack. I'm actually almost positive I'm missing this flight. They came and let me back into the building and I am on my way to the airport for breakfast. I will be having this drink right here. Cannot believe I made it. I literally walked into the airport, walked into security, went straight to security, walked to the gate, walked straight in. I'm now on the little thing to board the plane. So I made it, yay. We made it onto the plane, which is absolutely insane because from the minute I got dropped off to getting to the plane, getting through checkout, check-in, security, was literally like 10 minutes and it's LAX, which is absolutely huge, but the ferries were watching over us, so we made it. I'm getting ready to go hang out with a friend of mine. This is OOTN. So, see you guys later. My plan is for tomorrow morning, I'm going to pack up my storage unit, put it into a U-Box, and instead of having it shipped, I'm going to let it sit for a few days. And that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna wait till I speak to a different moving company and find out what they're doing. And then we're gonna figure it out from there.